So yay! It's questionable. Hi. I'll be the. Bonjour. Welcome back to India to France. So it's Friday today and we don't have class. So that's why we planned all the girls together that we're gonna meet up because it's just one more month that we have together and we're gonna spend a day at Thesis place. So we are going to meet in there and guess what? I've prepared Pani Puri. So I've prepared Pani Puri ka pani and imli chutney and the aloo chana coriander paste, and the puris were available outside, so I just had to fry it. So and other than that, I have taken bundi and the save to put on top of it. So yeah, let's see. I've tried to minimize the spice level because I'm not sure if they would be okay with that, but when I reduced it, the taste was not really good. So I just tried. Okay, let me see how they're gonna react to it. They're really excited and they have called me like 10 times now, and I'm here making videos so that I don't miss out on uploading videos because I know you guys are waiting for my videos too. So let me show you the jhola. So I've packed everything in this. Once I reach, I will show it to you maybe because I cannot unpack. Everything is stuffed quite tightly. So yay! I'm late, so yay! Let's go. This week I'm traveling somewhere on Sunday morning for the entire week, and I'm pretty excited about it. And I will keep you posted about that. Talking about my thesis, so where am I at? So it's already been 2 months through and I'm still struggling with my thesis statement or the question, the research question, because every time I framed it and I do some research and it's questionable. I come back, I change it again, and then I check with my mentor. So it's taking time. We have to start early. So what I'm planning is I want to tie this thesis back to my YouTubing because I'm going to do a lot of research on this. I want it to help me in my personal life as well. So this is my personal project, right? The YouTube. So yeah, that's about it. My thesis for now. Recently I've been working on some short form video content, that is reels and shorts. What do you think about it? I mean, it is getting some good traction compared to the previous ones, but I would like to know from you guys. There you go. Hi girls. Hi. I'm Ramil. May I? Yeah, this is very less spicy, so.
You need the chutney with it?
Yeah, I need everything that I bought. And that big container?
Here. Yeah.
That's pani.
Pani.
Yeah. Oh, sambar. Sambar. Yeah, that's puri.
Oh, okay.
That's sambar.
Makes sense.
I told
Yeah,
you
yeah,
that
our
we're
sambar.
gonna lit your house on fire today.
You need spoon?
Yes, please. 2 spoons.
Babu, can you record it so I can take a
And
photo?
a container something so that it doesn't spill off. This is safe. Listen, this is safe.
This or a bowl?
Bowls are good for people.
What for?
So that it doesn't fall off.
Ah.
Spill off.
We just have to crack it with potato, put other stuff.
Yes. I'll be the Pani Puri wali today. Bhaiya, ek plate.
Bhaiya, ek Pani Puri. How much that?
With 2 plates of love.
What's that?
Okay.
Husband?
Okay, first I'll leave the sweet one for you.
Yeah, sure. Oh, so take semuanya.
So it's like one bite?
One bite.
Yeah, one bite, all of it.
One shot.
Anita, shot, 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 shot. How is it?
Enak kan?
Oh,
I already have one.
Wait, something is missing.
one more plate, please.
You first try only that. Yeah.
I'm just well.
Can I have that napkin?
So I eat like this.
I don't think we have
Tissue,
napkins.
tissue.
I eat like this.
Wait, I bring. Thank you.
Good, right? Very good, very good.
Which one is the spicy?
This has to be spicy, but I made it black.
Okay. So the spicy come from this?
Yes.
I do so much.
Those napkins.
Thank you.
Emil, sweet.
Sweet?
So good.
It's so refreshing.
No, it's for you.
For me?
Yeah.
I always want to try it. Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
I think I ate a bit of Aslan's for. It's okay.
We all do.
We all get, yeah.
Can I try?
You like it?
Take it.
Yes.
This is just first one. I wanted to show it to you.
Yes.
Feel free.
Mm.
I'll make one for IKEA and then I'll.
I love this table.
Not too much, not too much.
It's been a
Not too much, not too
while,
much.
guys.
Ah, thank you. Thank you.
I'm sure she can eat it.
That was my cake, so put it in anything.
Or do you want to eat?
And we brought some though. It's
Spicy. Sambal. And I need them.
Thank you very much, sir.
So everyone's safe.
No, Suli was hardly around. Yeah?
Yes.
Emil did it. Wow. Make this.
I feel like we're at a party. You want some food?
Everything is so good.
Feels like home.
Wow, it's very light.
Yeah.
The French Indian chef.
This one is salty.
French
Yeah.
dip. Yeah. I mean, you put that. The dish. Deep is good. As deep.
I think she likes. Careful, wine. He wants to be like the center. He wants to be the.
Hey Taz. What are you doing?
Making Pani Puri.
Do you like it?
It's my favorite food in the world.
What do you want to try next time?
Biryani.
Yay!
During my Ramadan, biryani. For sure. From Ramya and Rahul. For sure.
Ameen.
Amin.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Everybody group back.
Bye-bye. Hi.
This doesn't even have any wine. Love you. Bye bye.
Can she
Like you press a button and boom, boom, boom. It's right beside the light.
Yeah. Earlier I opened.
What did you do?
You know the key? I go through the gate and then open it.
You know, on my reels, the comment was Mari being Mari.
Yeah.
That's Mari being Mari.
Sometimes my brain is the same as this. Right? Whereas we are
Mari being Mari. Okay, bye.
Oh, it's not good.